So just to give you guys a little bit context, I was editing my friend's birthday vlog. So if you guys haven't checked that out, please यार वो check कर लो. I even make vlogs on this channel. So मुझे एशली का बहुत सारे फुटेजेस चाहिए था एंड मैं देख रहा था कि यार मेरे प्रीवियस व्लॉग्स में वो फुटेजेस है कि नहीं, और मुझे ये व्लॉग दिखा, दैट इज़ बैंड्रा फेयर 2017 व्लॉग. एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग गाइस, मैं जब ये व्लॉग देख रहा था आई वॉज इन ऑ. अभी तुम लोगों को लग रहा रहेगा यार ये रैन क्या खुद के वीडियोस का तारीफ़ कर रहा है, बट सच्ची यार मैंने जब वो वीडियो देखा आई वाज लाइक ये क्या मस्त एडिटिंग किया है मैंने, क्या मस्त स्टोरी टेलिंग किया है ऑनेस्टली. बिकॉज हमेशा से ना यार लोग मुझे बोल रहे तुम्हारा एडिटिंग अच्छा है, तुम्हारा एडिटिंग अच्छा है, बट आई वॉज लाइक आई एम मोर देन अ एडिटर. मुझे ये एडिटिंग का जो टाइटल है ना, एडिटर का जो टाइटल है मुझे थोड़ा भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. बिकॉज आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी पुट इन अ बॉक्स. आई एम यूट्यूबर, तो मुझे यूट्यूबर बोलो, तो मुझे फिल्म मेकर बोलो, तो मुझे एक्टर बोलो, मुझे वो सब टाइटल्स चलेगा, बट मुझे एडिटर का वो टाइटल से कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है. एंड द रीज़न इज़ बिकॉज आई एम सो मच मोर देन दैट एंड आई पुट सो मच एफर्ट्स विच इज़ मोर देन एडिटिंग. सो आई वॉज लाइक थिंक यार इसमें स्टोरी टेलिंग है, इसमें सब कुछ है, एंड दैट वीडियो जस्ट गॉट लाइक 100 views. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट यूज्ड टू इरिटेट मी बैक देन एंड इट स्टिल इरिटेट्स मी टिल डेट. That video, the Bandra Fair 2017 video, deserved like 5,000 to 10,000 views, but it barely got like 100 to 200 views. And I know that I am one of the best YouTubers right now. I am making videos that are better than the top YouTubers. यार वो लोग कचरा दे रहे हैं. And you know it kind of irritates you. And I know वो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि कंपेयर मत करो, ये मत करो, बट अगर तुमको अंदर से मालूम है ना यार कि तुम इतने अच्छे हो, I know I might be sounding narcissistic, but it's just facts. But the reason why I am right here is मुझे फ्री में जो भी मेरे पास है और whatever mistakes मैंने किए थे in that video, I don't want you guys to do the same. Now it's all on you कि तुम्हें मेरे opinions accept करने हैं, मेरे tips accept करने हैं या नहीं. But एक चीज़ मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि इफ़ यू गाइस सी दिस वीडियो y'all can learn a lot and y'all can save a lot of time. If 2017 Ryan would have seen this video, he would have understood कि oh these are the mistakes that I don't have to make, or I can make better videos now after watching this video. And I wish I had the knowledge I had now back then, that I would make such amazing videos. So my only hope is that this video helps you guys in understanding editing psychology, where to cut, what story to tell, how stories help a vlog and why stories are necessary in a vlog, how cinematic shots can help a vlog look good, but how the right music is compulsory for cinematic editing. Now the story goes like, I and Ashley wanted to go to Bandra Fair and we thought let's just go together and I will vlog the journey. But as you know, Bandra Fair, a lot of people visit Bandra Fair, like thousands and thousands of people visit Bandra Fair. And when I went there, I couldn't record much क्योंकि यार इतना डिस्टर्बेंस कि मैं जो भी बोलूँ मुझे चिल्ला के बोलना पड़ता था. एंड तभी मैं थोड़ा कॉन्शियस था यार, और इतने सारे लोगों के सामने मतलब व्लॉगिंग करना, आई वाज लाइक मैं फटफट कुछ भी बोल रहा था. एंड आई वाज लाइक चलो जाते हैं नेक्स्ट स्पॉट पे, ये शूट करते हैं, वो शूट करके यहाँ से जल्दी निकलते हैं. बेसिकली मैं वो फेज़ में था तभी. एंड आई थिंक सो आई जस्ट हैड द Asus Zenfone, और उसमें लाइक क्वालिटी ठीक ठाक था, बट द ऑडियो wasn't that good. So whatever footage I had was incomplete. So someone who I was really inspired back then and till date to is Casey Neistat. He's like the god of vlogging, and something that I learned from him is if you have incomplete footages, record later and record in some way that helps you complete the story, and that is what I did. Later I called up my brother Russell Horan. His name is Russell Fernandez, his channel's name is Russell Horan, and I called my another brother you can say is Abby Joes, and I said कि यार मुझे हेल्प चाहिए, मुझे ना ये मेरा एक इंट्रो बनाना है, and I need to make a video where I'm explaining this Bandra Fair vlog, and then I'm going to merge it together and I'm going to make this short 4 to 5 minutes vlog. And they were like okay we'll be there. And that is basically the story of Bandra vlog 2017. So let's just review it.
Every day when the night falls, and it's you and me, feeling like you're made of stone, and I ain't got an iron key. Can we vibe with the lights off? And tell me what do you see, feeling like you're made of.
So this right here is 5 seconds long, and this is the intro that I had in mind. Then I was like I said in my previous editing psychology video, is that I am not Logan Paul, I am not Casey Neistat कि मैं सिर्फ लिखो कि Logan Paul vlogs और लोगों को समझ में आएगा मैं कौन हूँ. I have to again and again remind people who they are watching. They are watching the Savage Vibe, and back then my channel's name was The Intelligent Freaks. That is by Tiff Vlogs episode 2. एंड दिस इज आई वॉन्टेड लाइक जो भी इंट्रो है यार ये एकदम देखने में मस्त हो. सो वी मेड दिस वीडियो ऑफ मी रनिंग, एंड हाउ इट गोज इज आई टेल यू व्हाट्स राइट हियर एंड व्हाट्स रॉन्ग. वी हैव दिस वन एस्टैब्लिशिंग शॉट, ठीक है, गार्डन में है, देन आई एम रनिंग, एंगल चेंज, मी रनिंग सो दैट इट लुक्स बेटर. And this is like the selling shot. I wanted कि मैं jump करूँगा and the camera will basically track me. But however we could not do the tracking shot, so what we did is we did a we did a cut. So exactly we recorded both the scenes in different angles, one before me jumping and one after me jumping, and one is while I'm jumping too. So if you see right here, see, this is the first shot. Second was me jumping, so you know I'm going to land. It was so necessary for me to show that I am going to land. Otherwise, I know it would have, you guys would have understood, but I wanted to make it more clear that ठीक है ये बंदे ने जंप किया है, अब ये लैंड करने वाला है. तो जो लैंडिंग का एस्टैब्लिशिंग शॉट रहेगा वो बहुत सही लगेगा. And then I land and I hit my legs through the grass. And if you guys hear, I didn't remove the grass sound effect. So basically that is an in-camera sound that was recorded, and that time I wasn't much into sound designing. But now when I look back, this was one of the best decisions I did. So if you guys are making vlogs, please focus on your sound design. So if you are, let's say, cycling, then try to use cycling sound effects. Or if there is water driplets, rain, try use rain sound effects and so on. So that will just make your vlog like a movie, and that is what, you know, people want to see. They want to see a movie. And this shot was the tracking shot that I wanted, but यहाँ पे क्या हो गया कि हमारे पास gimbal तो अभी होगा नहीं ना, and ये बहुत shaky footage है. So this is the angle, or this is the tracking shot that I shouldn't have used.
Every day when the night falls, and it's you and me.
So basically what Abby wanted was to do is he wanted to track me running, और मैं stop होता हूँ और the camera would go from my legs and then turn around, and then, you know, the proper The Savage Vibe. But वो हुआ नहीं, so we had to do it in multiple cuts.
Feeling like you're made of stone.
And glitch effect and chromatic aberration, ये दो चीज़ था जो मैं बहुत यूज़ करता था तभी. And chromatic aberration is an effect I use till date. Please check that out. It is available on Adobe Premiere Pro, and it is even available on Filmora.
And I ain't got an iron key. Can we fight?
If you guys can see, this is Abby's bag right there, and this is a tripod. We just conveniently forgot to remove it.
Up with the lights off. And tell me what do you see?
And I think so the singer is Conor Maynard, and तभी I was listening to a lot of his songs. So I was like, actually मुझे इसके ऊपर copyright strike मिला, strike नहीं copyright मिला है. And but normally I don't have to, like, you know, pay or something, just that he will get money from my video. It was something like that, so I was pretty cool with it, because till date I don't make any money out of YouTube. I just wanted to make the best content, and what I really cared for is views, in the sense that I wanted the whole world to see my videos. So that's what I mean from views यार, कि ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब views का hungry नहीं यार, मैं चाहता हूँ कि the whole world sees my videos, and like, you know, they can just get entertained and they can get the maximum value out of my videos. That is what I truly hope for. So Act 1 has started already. We know Tiff Vlogs, this is who I am, and it's episode 2.
Feeling like you're made of stone.
What is up, people, and welcome to another vlog presented by The Intelligent Freaks. And first things first, I really hope you liked that intro that we made. That was some savage thing that we tried. And secondly, I know it's been a hell lot of time that we haven't. ये चीज़ हम लोग को तभी बहुत कूल लग रहा था that I would take my glasses off and I would just throw it. And the reason that I'm again wearing glasses is because Casey Neistat wears glasses. So if you guys observe, वो glass मुझे सूट भी नहीं हो रहा है, मैं कितना funny लग रहा है वो glass में. So I think so it was like a meta joke that I was trying to crack. But this exact intro right here is recorded from a DSLR. I think so it was a cheap DSLR, like जो भी DSLR हम लोग के पास तभी available था, हम लोग ने जस्ट वो यूज़ किया. एंड द रीज़न वाई आई वॉन्टेड DSLR बैक देन और इवन नाउ, वन रीज़न दैट आई वुड चूज़ DSLR इज़ दिस blur background thing that happens. I think so when we even shoot in portrait mode we can get that. I used to love that and I just feel कि जब वो blur background चीज़ होता है ना यार, वो videos बहुत सही दिखता है. And just because of that I wanted a DSLR, and we don't have the mic, so that's why you can hear all this ambient noises of grass and animals, etc, etc. Vlog. And the thing is, I kind of broke my front camera and I couldn't really meet Russell or anyone to just make a feature video. So today is a Sunday, 17th September. Today is the last day for Bandra Fair, and regarding Bandra Fair, yesterday was the 16th September and I had been to Bandra Fair. So let's just roll the clip. So in just a minute or so we have established who I am, what the video is about, and this is why I was in awe. For a kid who was just 17 years old, I made a super short video, and the reason I made it super short is so that none of the footage should be boring. I shouldn't drag the video, and that is one good decision that you guys should do. And something I still make, I know I make 10-minute videos now, but I personally feel that all those shots are entertaining. But till date some of my friends still say that yaar isko thoda aur short kar. So another tip you can take is make the vlog short or make the video short as in choose only the shots which make the most sense or which are valuable to the story. If it is not making any sense or it is not providing any profit to the story, just delete it. So let's go ahead.
Baby, if you could understand me, I would feel so empty. I don't wanna let you go, ever let you go. Say you understand me, I'll give you my everything. If you need to let me go, ever let me go, I won't let you go.
So man, I think so the whole train shot was just 30 seconds long, and look all the information that is presented in just 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds, this after the intro we have this shot which अगर तुम लोग लोकल ट्रेन्स में बहुत ट्रैवल करते हो तो तुम लोग को ये ऑलरेडी मालूम है कि हर स्टेशन पे वो लोग बोलते हैं कि बोरेवली आ गया है, इट्स कांदिवली, इट्स सो ऑन. सो नाउ देयर इज एस्टैब्लिशिंग शॉट कि बैंड्रा फेयर है तो बैंड्रा में आना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो so let's just roll the clip. Next station Bandra, and we already heard agla station is Bandra, so next station Bandra would be excessive or it would be like a repeat. So before that happens I put the music and it's the next shot. And here if you observe, only my hand is in color and everything is in black and white. I don't remember why exactly I did it. Most probably I did it so that people can see the time, what time we were reaching there and so on. And I just wanted to make something that looks beautiful. And ट्रेन में ज़्यादा कुछ हम लोग शॉर्ट्स तो ले नहीं सकते हैं, so this is something that thought कि ये बहुत cool होगा, तभी मैंने सोचा था. I would feel so empty, I don't wanna let you go. Then of course from the window you take a shot showing that you are in a train. Never let you go, say you understand me, I'll give you my everything. And then if you observe, I was seeing a lot of KOLD videos. So KOLD and those people, they do a lot of masking, but I make my videos on Filmora. So Filmora mein you do not have the option to make mask. So what I did is I use a transition to the next shot. So if you can see यहाँ पे इसका ये वाला shot का opacity कम हो रहा है और वो fade हो रहा है, and it's going through the right hand side. So ऐसा लग रहा है through the train the shot is getting vanished. So that is what I was looking for. I know I am just surprised because I thought so much back then. And then we have again a establishing shot of the railways.
If you need to let me go, ever let
And this all animations and everything is cutting on beat. So then we again can see it's Bandra.
me go, I won't let you go.
Oh, and then see we have all those cuts that I made. So then you know it just provides a rhythm to the whole vlog. No time pass, direct shot of Mother Mary in the church. So we know we've already reached Mount Mary Church. And I remember I had done this amazing transition back then. I'll just play.
Please keep moving, keep moving.
So what had happened is when you go to, in Mount Mary Church, there is itna crowd रहता है कि they just keep saying कि keep moving, next. So I wanted to go for two shots here. One shot is zoom into Mother Mary, so we know that we've reached to Mount Mary Church. And then I thought कि यार इनका हाथ लग रहा है, and the next frame, that is this, I start like that. So I thought, what if I just connect these two shots? It would be a beautiful transitions. You've already seen this in movies. It's called match cuts. So you could just YouTube match cuts and you learn a lot. So this is something that I'm proud of back then. And then I start speaking.
So we're just done with the pilgrimage
Shit, I look so thin.
to Mount Mary Church, and now we're on the way to the back of Ferris, so it starts there.
That's Ashley right here.
So yeah, let's go. So now we're on our way to the fair. So you see this place is super crowded, so I'm really sorry for the bad audio. So here as you go down, you will find shops for pickles and clothes.
And another thing is, when you know there's a lot of disturbance, बोल दो वीडियो में कि just apologize upfront कि हाँ, I know there's a lot of disturbance, but there isn't really something that I can do now, and I'm just sorry, please stick with the video. And that just helps a lot because people know that you are being real, and then you can even understand your audience's plight. ऐसा नहीं कि तुमने सिर्फ वीडियो बनाया है and then you have just uploaded it. You understand that it's going to be a little bit of a task watching this video, but please stick through the video, and that is something that you can do.
You see? And you will get them on a pretty cheap rate. You can get sweets, your flowers, keychains, and whatever more, and a lot. It's pretty cool. You can even get rosaries and the holy songs and stuff. So it's really cool to come here.
So वहाँ पे आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू से बिकॉज इतने लोग वहाँ पे चिल्ला रहे थे, एंड देन आई वाज वॉकिंग डाउन द स्टेयर्स, सो आई हैड टू फोकस डाउन एट द सेम वाइल इट्स सो मेनी पीपल, एंड आई हैड टू व्लॉग, एंड आई वाज सो कॉन्शियस. सो आई वाज लाइक यहाँ पे जो भी दिख रहा है मैं सिर्फ बोल दूंगा, एंड वो मेरा टॉकिंग पार्ट हो जाएगा व्लॉग का. एंड देन कट टू सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स. सो दिस इज बैक देन व्हेन सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स, आई एंड माई फ्रेंड्स Ashley, Abby, we had just learnt about cinematic shots, and we just wanted to try all of these. So new song for the cinematic shots.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a.
So all these cinematic shots were taken by Ashley, except a few rosary shots I think later, which you will see, were taken by me. So one mistake that I did right here is the shot which starts with a blur, and then it's in focus. So तुम लोग को वो चना दिख रहा है, and then the next cinematic shots has a pan, a left pan.
Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun, running, no.
तो why I said it was a mistake is जो चना का shot था that actually needed a pan. So basically when I was ending the shot, or Ashley was ending the shot, he should have taken the camera to the left side, and he should have even started this shot from the left. So it would have been an amazing shot because both the shots would be connected and it would look really nice. Now if you see ये black and white effect क्यों आ रहा है, because ये मैंने बहुत upbeat music choose किया इसके लिए, and I was like यार ये beats अभी बढ़ रहे हैं, I need to show something on screen but I don't know what to show. ये यहाँ पे sweet सी है, and I just made it black and white for some reason so that it looked cool. So just a tip, use better editing when the when you're doing when you're editing through the beat.
Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
See, and this is a mistake I regret. The music is so fast paced, there are so many beats, dun 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 dun, and जो मैं वीडियो दिखा रहा हूँ ऑन स्क्रीन वो कितना स्लो है, तो वो मैच ही नहीं कर रहा है. your music should always match the shots that you have available or you are showing on screen, or the editing that you're doing through the beat, it should always match the music. So that is something you should take in focus. बीट्स इंक्रीज हो रहा है बट हमने बस स्टैंडर्ड एक शॉट रखा है, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. And then I was like, I need to go to the next shot. So I was like, I'll use a water. I don't know what this is called. I think it's a water drop transition. A simple right pan. So yeah, if you're going into cinematic shots, just focus a lot on speed ramping, sound editing, sound design, color grading, and mixing them all up together.
Almost at the end of the
And this is something that I regret. तभी ना मैं म्यूज़िक को फेड आउट नहीं करता था. So those all music cuts were really very very harsh. So if you listen, you'll hear the kick.
Almost at the end of
that thing. So that's irritating. So normally you can try fading out your music. It can be an artistic choice to not fade out, but that's a separate topic altogether.
The fair, you can see from here you will get all clothes shops in line. So in case you are into budget clothes and stuff, this is a real good place you can come for shopping.
Another thing that I regret is because I was so conscious और तभी मेरे में इतना fear था ना यार, मैं वहाँ पे गया नहीं. How you can make your vlogs better is there were all these clothes shops. I could have just gone, taken few close-up shots. I could have spoken. Ashley could have recorded me speaking कि भैया ये ड्रेस का क्या प्राइस है, ये टी शर्ट का क्या प्राइस है, और वो कंटेंट और थोड़ा अच्छा होता था या फिर नहीं होता था, बट इट वुड हैव बीन अ गुड गैम्बल. एंड फॉर ऑल I would have gotten better content and I would have gotten better shots, but I didn't have access to those, all because I never shot them in the first place. So please, I know it's when you are out in open India में vlogging उतना क्या बोलते बड़ा नहीं है. इंडिया में उतना व्लॉगर्स, इंडिया में वो एक ये चीज़ है कि यार अगर तुम व्लॉगिंग कर रहे हो तो सब लोग देखेंगे, अगर तुम मूवीज़ बना कुछ भी कर रहे हो तो सब लोग एकदम ना ताड़ के देखेंगे, ये भाई ये क्या कर रहा है. And I know that feeling, but I think so sometimes you just have to pass through that just for the sake of content. So the thing is, we kind of left early from Bandra Fair because there wasn't. So now this is again the really anything much. So back to the future me, where I'm explaining ki there wasn't a lot to do in Bandra Fair, and this is just 3 minutes and 50 seconds, and we've already seen basically Bandra Fair. We've seen all the cinematic shots. In the cinematic shots, I have established what all is available in Bandra Fair. We know that people go there to shop, and this is something that goes on, and there is another day left, so jisko bhi jana hai kal jao Bandra Fair mein. To do there, and we didn't really want to shop or anything, and most of all we were hungry AF, so I had to leave.
So we're done with the fair now, and now we're planning to go to VT, to Hotel Fountain Plaza for a lunch.
So yeah, another thing that I liked what I did here is I was speaking about Hotel Fountain Plaza, and a lot of people wouldn't know ना यार कि तुम कौन सा भी होटल का नाम ले रहे हो और तुमसे बता रहे हो, हम लोग का क्या मालूम. So there is two ways to do this. Is either you're going there and you're recording everything very nicely, so you're taking cinematic shots of that place, you're talking with the waiter or the person who owns the place, or people understand where you have come. But when I went there, we only took I think so shots of us eating the food. बस उतना ही हम लोग ने लिया था. There wasn't much that I had shot back then. So I was like, while I'm talking about Hotel Fountain Plaza, people should know what I'm talking about. Hence ये छोटा सा मैंने एक वीडियो डाला है of Hotel Fountain Plaza.
So it's pretty cute. So right now we are at CST, and look at the architecture, man. I love this. Just look at it. So damn beautiful. I'm really sorry for all the ambient noises, but this is just beautiful.
So another mistake that I did back then is I was trying to do something cinematic. Basically अगर तुम लोग को ये black bars दिख रहा है, मतलब I was trying to do something cinematic. And CST is really beautiful. If you have not been there, please go Churchgate side, CST side. You get a lot of books there, and the place is really beautiful. The buildings, you can take a lot of pictures. It's beautiful. But the mistake what I did right here is I knew there was a lot of disturbance, right? And this specific footage is basically 10 to 20 seconds long, I guess. And in 10 to 20 seconds I could have just muted this in edit, and I could have done a voice over just like I'm doing right now, and I could have used that clear and crisp voice over in the video, and it would have sounded so nice, and it would have saved all those ambient noises of people honking their cars and bikes, and that would have been a really good edit. Again, establishing shot that we have reached Hotel Fountain Plaza. Direct shot. I wanted to again try something cinematic, but this time I was like, this food is matlab I didn't shoot this really well. So I was like, I'm not going to use black bars, because if I use black bars, that is cinematic bars, it will chop up a lot of the raw footage. So unlimited thali for 160 rupees. Link in the description. जिसको चाहिए जाओ खा लो. This photo credit goes all to Ashley. I was like, Ashley, एक picture लेना यार, तू तो photographer है, एक picture लेना. He's like, हाँ लेता ना. And you can see it was a good experience going there. So I think so my favorite memory of going that day to Bandra Fair was not really Bandra Fair, but going to Hotel Fountain Plaza. And so now we know the videos ended, and this is what Logan Paul, this is what MSK, a lot of YouTubers are doing right now, is they're using BTS, that is behind the scenes. And तभी मैं बहुत सारे BTS use करता था. Now I don't use BTS because for more reasons. delete all my behind the scenes and I only keep the ones which are very accurate, जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ mistakes नहीं किया है. So मेरे पास उतना access नहीं होता है BTS, but what BTS does it gives you a connection कि it यहाँ कि जो भी funny shots हो गया, जो भी like गलत shots हो गया, the audience can see all your screw ups and you know they can also like you know have a laugh and connect with you more. And that's like you know an extra what do you say, an extra gift you can give to your subscribers, in the sense that they seen a video that was like 5 minutes long, take 30 seconds or more of us just doing all random stuff ki yo just enjoying. So this is Russell Horan and Abby Jose.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I can describe. It's been a hell lot of time that I haven't really vlogged and things.
अबे यार
What is up, people? Hey, light नहीं आ रहा. Light नहीं आ रहा.
और जहाँ पे हम लोग एक्चुअली रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे वहाँ पे ये स्पेस बहुत कम था, एंड फॉर मी टू आई कुडंट इवन स्टैंड, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई वाज लाइक बेंडिंग लाइक दैट. आई वाज लाइक ऐसे पूरा.
लाइट नहीं आ रहा
Light नहीं आ रहा ना?
अभी आया
मेरे पास लाइट है, दू मेरे बैग में.
नहीं चल हो जाएगा बच्चे को हटा.
And see, this is here you can understand how we shot that tracking shot. Is basically it was just Abby moving with the camera, and I would just suggest if you have access to a gimbal, just use a gimbal. If not, I wasn't afraid to use this shot, and that just shows that you shouldn't be afraid to use your shots or your ideas. If it is in your head, it looks fine, and if it is matching even like you know 25 to 50%, also just use that. Even if it is just 10% of what you thought right here, just use it. Abby was like बच्चे को निकालो, और बच्चा जानबूझ के लिए शॉट में आता है.
So we're done with the vlog.
चारू मारू ढोक लो.
I was telling this to the rickshaw wala. Ashley thought I'm telling this to him, and he's like, "Hey."